Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ray Cooking Danny. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my beetroot juice in just 2 easy steps. And I will also be telling you the health benefits of beetroot fruits. So quickly, let's get started. All right, here's our beetroot. I'll be using 3 balls of beetroot, 1 big, 1 medium, and 1 small. All right, so first just put this aside, and put this right here. So first I'll cut off these edges. Just cut it off. You can see it has its own special color. Did you know that beetroot juice can lower high blood pressure? So if you have a normal blood pressure, please do not take beetroot. Can give you kidney stones. Beetroot can also stimulate your energy for exercise. So I'll just peel the back off carefully. Peel it off carefully. You can do a lot with beetroot. Beetroot is very rich in nature. The key role about beetroot is lowers high blood pressure. So if you're suffering for high blood pressure, please, beetroot is your plug. We are done peeling our beetroot, so I'll just cut them into sizable shapes so I can blend them. All right, so I'll just cut them into sizable shapes. I can easily blend them together. I love beetroot juice. I love this juice so much. The health benefits is everything. It has a lot of health benefits. A lot. It stimulates your energy for exercise. It helps you maintain a natural and a healthy weight. Yes, it does. So if you want to work on your weight, you want to diet, beetroot, make beetroot your favorite juice. Instead of taking carbonated drinks, you can replace it with beetroot juice. Put it in the fridge, gets cold, and you enjoy it. It's sweet. It has a natural sugary taste. All right, I'm done cutting these into sizes, so I'll just go ahead and blend this. All right, we are done blending our beetroots, so it's time to extract the juice from the beetroots. So I'll just go ahead and sieve this right inside my jar. Pour some portion in there. We're done extracting the juice from our beetroot. I'm so excited. Yeah, because beetroot has a very rich natural benefit. Okay, oh, like I said earlier, beetroot is very rich in nature. All right, so let me just pour some inside my glass cup so you can see how inviting our beetroot juice is looking. All right, I'm going to be giving you 3 major importance of beetroot juice. Do you know that beetroot juice can actually help reduce high blood pressure? It can prevent cancer, and it can also cleanse the liver. So take beetroot juice today and live a healthy life. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Turn on the notification post so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. From me, it's bye. Drink healthy, stay healthy.